Yeah, and Bill, Governor Northam, as you just heard, said that he is taking this action of stepping up enforcement so that the slight increase that Virginia is seeing over the past week or so doesn't become a bigger spike like other states have seen.
Can't let down our guard. We can't act like the virus has gone away.
That's Virginia Governor Ralph Northam Tuesday as he announces increased enforcement amid a recent increase in COVID-19 cases. Northam says the majority are in the Hampton Roads area and driven by people socializing without a mask.
You are being selfish, and you are hurting everyone who is doing the right thing to help us all beat this virus.
In response, Northam says an additional 100 health inspectors are deploying around the state to conduct unannounced visits to businesses and restaurants, checking for compliance with mask and social distancing requirements.
If you own a restaurant or a business and you're not following the regulations, your license will be on the line.
Northam is also encouraging business owners to refuse customers refusing to wear a mask, medical exemptions aside, and ask them to leave.
And if they don't, they're trespassing, and you can, in turn, call the police.
And Northam says individuals could also face Class 1 misdemeanors for refusing to comply with the mandate, but his administration is looking at options to make it a civil penalty instead. The governor adds this is not the only step he's considering.
I've directed the Virginia ABC to develop a plan to impose an earlier cutoff for alcohol sales at restaurants.
Northam says he could also lower the limit allowed at social gatherings from 250 down to 50, and he says should it get to the point that restrictions need to be reimposed, it would be done on a regional rather than statewide level. Now, several groups have released statements in reaction to the governor's announcement today. The Virginia branch of the National Federation of Independent Business says they're grateful that he is going after violators rather than putting restrictions on businesses as a whole, but they want inspections and enforcement to be fair. Meanwhile, the House Republican leader Todd Gilbert says that he is criticizing the governor for at first saying that it wouldn't be up to the businesses to enforce this mask mandate, but now saying that they are and threatening them with this license suspension, and thinks that this will do little but create more defiance. Working for you at the state capitol, Kevin Thompson, CBS 6 News.